Hey guys! We're in a grocery store. Today we have a guest star, Elyse. Grocery store? Yes. We're not going to really say which grocery store we're in.
It's our local grocery store, so you don't want to know that.
And well, we're just making we're doing experiments like soda. Soda. We have the Coke, right?
And the baking soda.
And then we just need to go find vinegar, and then after we're gonna have a clementine eating fun.
Stay tuned.
Baking soda muffins. I was in SeaWorld and I saw a guy steal a pen with his name on it. Okay, last aisle. This one. Or
What could be in the baking aisle?
yeah, let's check.
What are you doing?
Get it off!
Oh, fail.
No! You suck!
Serious?
Guys, my peas are gonna be this on the phone with
Baking soda and vinegar. A new explosion.